Welcome to Foil Fun Bros, and today this is so far my favorite mod of the car. Steering wheel upgrade with airbag and a ZHP shift knob. Alright, so preview of the steering wheel. Bam! Look at that, quick release. Yeah. So the little airbag is right here, you press it and it deploys right away in your face. But just kidding, it's actually a lot better than that. So we're gonna go ahead and proceed and remove this blown airbag. We're not gonna disconnect the battery cable. You guys should if you are doing it, but we don't really care about that. So bam, you just go inside here, pop it, lock and drop it, and then just turn the steering wheel. As you can see, we're already trying to mess with it. Took a little bit, but it's not that hard. And then this one's a little on an angle. And there you have it. So let's just show you real quick how this thing works. So if you could record right here. So you got that little metal clip holding it. Screwdriver comes in and bam, bam, on both sides. That's it. Now we're just gonna disconnect it real quick. One. Always gotta watch out. You don't want to damage these. It will suck. Bam. And you got this crap out of here. So we removed the airbag connector. Right there, these two. We got two more connectors for the clock spring, and then we got a negative. So this one is pretty simple. Click this tab, slides out. This one's a little bit more complicated. There's no really tab or anything, so you slide a screwdriver. Be careful, don't pry too hard on top of this like housing. So just a little bit like that, and bam, it slides out. Then you just get the wires out right here. Now we just need a little Torx pick to get this negative off. Alright, you get your handy dandy tool set from AutoZone. We're running low on tools. All my stuff is at work, so I'm working with what we have. Get your ratchet, any device. So we need a Torx bit. It's going to be a T10. And gotta get it on the socket. So using a 3/8 ratchet with a little adapter for a quarter, and then the Torx. And there we have it. Alright, so I managed to actually find an extension at the house. So, what is it? Well, it's a 5/8, just some random socket, but it fits. I don't know what the millimeters is. I was gonna say test of manlyhood right there, but shoot. So, getting off this bolt right here. I think it has tread lock, I'm not sure. Or no, it doesn't. So, get this bolt off, don't strip it. And now you want to align the marks and align the steering wheel. So if you could kind of zoom in, you got mark right there and right there. You could get a Sharpie, that's what I recommend if you are doing that, and just kind of mark it on both the lines. But I kind of see where it's at and just bam, take it off. Yo, so what? We didn't show you guys the steering wheel yet? Yo, bro, did we show it? Not yet? What? Bro, check this out. Are you kidding me? Those stitches, the feel, even smells like leather. You got that M little badge right here, no chrome or whatever, shiny parts, just black. It's looking nice. Alright, so before you put on or install the steering wheel, always get off the excess debris around where you can't really reach. Always keep everything clean because it's your car. So, get the steering wheel, you gotta remember how it was, or if it was marked up. So bam. Right there. Perfect. Connect one. Connect one. And connect number two. Get your bolt, install into the socket, and slide that puppy in.
That's what she said.
Nah. So use your crappy wrench that you have in our case scenario. Such a crappy ratchet. And tighten this pretty hard as you can. Gotta hold it with my knees. Can you hold it a little bit? That should be good. Just be careful, don't fart when you're tightening that hard. It does happen sometimes if you're not careful. So the airbag is right over here, and you, oh wait, no. Where's the airbag?
It's in the garage.
Oh snap. I'll be right back. Alright, so last but not least, just double check before you slide your airbag in and connect the connectors. You got the ground right here for airbags and switches. Got the switches, controls, everything is good. Inside this little socket, get the green with the green, match it up. Steering wheel's gonna be like this. Click this, connector in, and make sure whenever you're like working with connectors, especially airbags, it's not really going in. Don't try to force it in. It should be clicking in really easily and smoothly. Yo, Gene, they ready for this or not? Nah? I don't think they're ready. I don't think I'm ready. Yeah. 3 hours later. Bam. Not bad. So now it's shift knob time. Got the steering wheel all nice. Now let's see if we could get this shift knob off. So apparently all you gotta do, put it in second or fourth or whatever. I'll probably put it in second. Get your elbow kind of like secured right here, because you're gonna be ripping the sucker off apparently. So it doesn't spin off or nothing, it just rips off. So here we go. Try not to fart. Oh. Not bad. I did a couple of these from other cars, but never a BMW, so it's the first time. So bam, do a little comparison. Definitely like about 1 inch at least or something shorter. So, and plus this one kind of has no weight to it. This one's like 3 times as heavy or something. Alright, so we got the old one off. Now we're gonna install this new one. So you got a little notch right there on the shifter. Make sure you gotta align it with this inside the shift knob. So the easiest way to do that is kind of like just slide it in as so. Don't push too hard yet, and just kind of spin it as you're putting some force on it. Oh, you feel it kind of go in, then just like so, and it's inside. Before we start, just want to do a quick shout out to my uncle for providing this scanner, Foxwell. So pretty much this is a perfect tool for this job, and it should clear that airbag light. Alright, so we're gonna get the ignition on. As we can see, that airbag light will still be present. So pop this OBD2 port, connect the connector, wait until it powers up. Okay, so we just did an auto scan on this vehicle. There's no check engine lights or any sorts of faults for that. We did have a fault for ABS, dynamic stability control, which was like front right speed sensor. That could be a history code because it's not showing up on the vehicle right now. And airbag, there's 6 faults, so I'll read them out to you right now. So there's crash telegram memory, at least 1 crash is stored. Driver's airbag stage 1, driver's airbag stage 2, that could be clock spring and airbag itself. We got a belt tensioner on the driver's side, we replaced that. And safety battery terminal, we replaced that in the back. And that's it. So we're gonna try to clear this right now and see what happens. So erase codes, yes. erase done. Perform read codes function to verify. Okay. So let's read codes. System passed. No fault code found.
Let's go.
That's what's up. So as you see, it's BMW system is very nice. No problems at all. You'd think you'd have to go to the dealer or some kind of specialist to get something done like this, but as you could see, we're doing this ourselves quite easily. And so we're gonna try to go to the ABS now with the speed sensor code. Try to erase it. Erase done. Okay. Read codes. It's passing right now. Maybe in the future that sensor is kind of bugging out. We don't know, but until we do the start registration, we'll start driving, and that should be okay. We're gonna start the vehicle and see what happens. Let's just, there you have it. No more airbag light. Nothing popping up down here. No. As you see right there, 4-wheel fun bros, super easy. This car is almost pretty much done. We're just waiting for start registration, waiting for that bumpers, and we're gonna keep modding it slightly. So stay tuned with us and subscribe, like, comment, and thank you. We're gaining a bunch of subscribers. It's pretty crazy. So I want to thank every single one of you guys. We out.